Just like the deed for a house or a patent for a new invention, a vehicle's title provides proof of ownership. The National Motor Vehicle Title Information System, or NMVTIS, is designed to gather certain information from your car's title and track all of the events that the vehicle experiences, creating a vehicle's life history, where it came from, where it's been, and any bumps or bruises it may have encountered along the way.
This is a system where states send their title data when they issue a title, and then states also check this data when they are issuing a title to a vehicle that has been previously titled in another state, so that they can accurately carry forward the history of that vehicle.
It prevents fraud. The program is supposed to help with stolen vehicles and help prevent them from being re-registered in another state.
I see a lot of value in the NMVTIS system. It offers protection to my family, my friends, myself from unsafe and fraudulent vehicles.
As the number of jurisdictions using NMVTIS grows, there are more and more questions about the different business procedures and practices jurisdictions use to report and interpret vehicle title, history, and brand information. AMVA's NMVTIS Business Rules Working Group has crafted a new best practice guide to ensure jurisdictions are developing business policies and practices in a consistent manner.
We realized that there was an opportunity for us as a group to create a document that would be used as a reference tool. And it really is geared towards those folks at the jurisdictional level who have responsibility for NMVTIS, the programmatic side.
The recommendations address issues, very specific process issues. And the best practices guide outlines the background on the issue, gives some examples of how these particular issues have been discovered, what kind of problems they've been causing, provides the best practice for resolving those issues, and then explains some of the challenges that a state would have when they implement those best practices.
The best practice document contains a comprehensive list of issues that NMVTIS program managers might encounter in their day-to-day work, including brand modifications, issuing duplicate titles, fraudulent or recalled title transactions, issue date, unclaimed titles, issue or delay issuance of title based on NMVTIS response, non-repairable vehicles, low-speed vehicles, reporting brands, summary error and warning report, surrendered titles for vehicles exempt from NMVTIS, undercover law enforcement vehicles, vehicle make codes, vehicle identification number corrections, vehicle identification number decoder.
I hope this document can become a go-to guide for all of the jurisdictions. We can't replace the specifications and manuals that exist, but when a particular situation arises, I hope that this manual is there and can provide quick solutions for the jurisdictions.
Though the Best Practice Guide addresses several common issues related to NMVTIS, the document is designed to evolve as technology and regulations develop.
The document is intended to address problems shared by the jurisdictions and provide some consistency to the solutions. One of the best parts about the document is that it's a living document and is intended to change as times change. We have needs in legislation and technology, and as those needs change, we need to be able to change the document with it.
The working group really sees this version of the guide as step one. We will be building on it in years to come, in months to come. So we really do want them to use it as a reference guide, as a tool, as the go-to document at a programmatic level if they have questions with regard to the issues that we've captured in the document. So definitely want them to use it. It's not something that we want them to put on the shelf and say how pretty it is, but we definitely want them to use it on a day-to-day basis.